Stop scrolling. This is the ultimate declaration of love. A creamy, bright lemon cheesecake sealed with rich chocolate. Lemon zest, rich chocolate, and creamy cheesecake. Let's make Valentine's Day magic happen. Every measurement counts. First, the foundation, a simple chocolate crust. Press that mixture firmly into your heart mold. Bake for 10 minutes. The secret to no cracks? Room temperature cream cheese. Whip until completely lump-free. Do not skip this step. Brighten up the filling with fresh lemon zest and juice. Now add your eggs one at a time. Mix only until the yellow disappears. Overmixing equals cracks. Pour the silky batter into the pan. This cheesecake bakes low and slow to ensure absolute perfection. Patience is key. Let it cool completely, then the fridge takes over. Look at that clean release. Now for the irresistible topping. Pour hot cream over your chocolate and let it sit. Stir until you get this beautiful glossy ganache. The best part? The pour. Slowly coat the entire heart. The ganache should pool slightly at the edges, creating a perfect seal. Garnish with a little love and slice into heaven. This is the creamiest, dreamiest cheesecake you will ever make. Tag who needs to bake this for you. Happy Valentine's Day!